I bought a second charger with multiple battery adapters, but both my batteries only use the XLR Canon port, so I modified my charger instead. Here's exactly how I did it. This was the original setup of the charger. It had multiple adapters. I figured I'd just solder it permanently. This is the battery charger I purchased. It's for 52V batteries. Off camera, I cut the end of the charger. I started by preparing both ends, stripping the insulation and matching the wires. Then I applied flux to start soldering each connection. After that, I secured everything with heat shrink and reinforced it with electrical tape. This is the final connector setup. First I tested the charger itself, then connected it directly to my Hailong battery. The indicator lit up red on the charger confirms that the battery is charging properly. Now let's go ahead and power the bike on. The voltage on the display jumped from 55.2 to 55.3, which is a good sign. Now I have one charger that works with all my batteries.